Alright, this is the low budget video show. We got Jamie in the house.
Oh yeah.
Captain Simon B. We're rocking the 9.9 pontoon on Bob's Lake.
You're on low budget. We're not sponsored by no one, but we're fishing. We're having good times here. If I were to be sponsored by someone, I'd like it to be like Schlitz or Stroh's or perhaps Blue Ribbon.
What about Michelob? Don't forget about
Okay.
Michelob.
I always told that was a pansy beer, but I got no issues about it if they were to sponsor us. Oh yeah, look at that, eh?